Hi folks, Rick Berube here, Vice President of Sales of Berkshire Hathaway Home Services of Arizona, California, and Nevada. And today I want you thinking about two things. Market's heating up, so is the temperature, especially if you live in one of our three markets, Arizona, California, or Nevada. The weather's heating up, market's heating up, a lot of you are getting super busy, and I love it. There's two things I want you to be focusing on, okay? Every day, no matter how busy you are, you still have to work at training your brain for success. It's a full-time job. You have to have affirmations, visualizations, you have to have a routine for it every day. It's critically important, especially as we get busy. Don't stop doing the things that got you busy, okay? Very important. So that's number one, work at training your brain every day. The second thing is, my little book here, Success is a Verb, as you know, action's everything to me. I have a little thing here called habit replacement therapy, right on the back of the book. Habit replacement therapy to me means you have to be training your brain every day, but you also have to physically take the body through the motions of the actions you need to be taking on a daily basis, okay? As the market gets busy, as we're in momentum right now, you can't take your foot off the gas. You gotta keep it. So even on the days you don't feel like it because you're starting to get a little complacent, keep the foot on the pedal. As they say, put the pedal to the metal. Let's keep it rocking. Finish this year strong. You guys are awesome. Look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks for your time.